And we're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in the Shiv Sena editorial. Samna, the parties once again lashed out at the Modi government. Samna's editor Sanjay Raut, who is a Shiv Sena MP, has targeted the Modi government, saying that India's border areas are now and that all our neighbours are siding with China. He further added that Chinese aggression in India is a failure of government's foreign policy. Now, the Samna has also stated that when US President Donald Trump will lose the upcoming elections, Modi will then be isolated globally. Mustafa is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, just get us more details of exactly what the Shiv Sena has said in its mouthpiece, Samna, once again lashing out to the Modi government over what's happened in the line of actual control.
Well, Akshita, it's once again a scathing attack by the Shiv Sena, by Sanjay Raut on directly Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What they have said is that China is attacking and taking a policy of aggression. This is the first time since 1975 that India has lost soldiers in a confrontation with the Chinese army. They are asking the questions, what will India do to avenge the killing of these soldiers, whether the surgical strikes are only reserved for Pakistan. Why isn't the PM giving a call to ban Chinese products? So there are a lot of scathing attacks. They went on to say that because of increasing friendliness towards United States, we have lost a neutral country like China, and now other neighboring countries like Nepal are also siding with China and speaking in their tone against India. So these geopolitical issues which have been cited at Samna's editorial are taking attack on the government and their foreign policy, and also saying that this has left India, this has left Prime Minister Narendra Modi isolated, and in our neighborhood, specifically in the subcontinent region, nobody is siding with India. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.